Welcome to Annual Report 2024 to 25. Nestled in the heart of EDU stands Islamic Residential High Secondary School, a beacon of excellence in education since 1977. Founded in 1977 by JMCT, we have established ourselves as a premier institution blending academic with Islamic values. With a rich history spanning over 4 decades, we take pride in our serene green campus, fostering a conducive learning environment. Our vision is to mold creative and competent, value driven beings who are capable of leading the ever changing world. Our mission is threefold: to imbibe quality in all phases of education, to nurture a generation grounded in strong morals, and to discover, nourish, and develop each student's unique talents, fostering personal growth and contributing positively to society. We have always been committed to create an environment in the school which helps the young minds to blossom and provide a platform for individual thinking and holistic development. We set standards and goals for ourselves and strive to achieve them, be it in academics, arts, sports, and many more. The management team, led by our chairman, has been a constant source of inspiration and guidance. The management team, their vision and support have been instrumental in shaping our institution. We also acknowledge the significant contribution of our PTA and MTA members.
IRS Alumni Association serves as a guiding light and pillar of support for our institution, fostering a strong sense of community and camaraderie among its members.
Green Campus Committee is working under PTA have contributed significantly for the growth of our institution. Under the initiative of Green Campus, we have conducted a workshop on zero waste future, managing all types of waste for a greener tomorrow. The workshop was conducted for the students and teachers. The guest faculty was Fajish Wahab, GEO of Kuttipuram Block Panchayat. The program was a grand success and it was instrumental in making our institution a green campus. Our academic council serves as the foundation of our institution, overseeing academic affairs and ensuring excellence. The council convenes monthly meetings to discuss key issues, set goals, and implement strategies that promote academic achievement. Our campus conducts regular and school union elections, promoting student leadership and participation. We prioritize various programs for the well-being of the students through the union. Students were elected for the post of school leader, deputy leader, finance secretary, and general captain for this academic year. This academic year, we successfully launched a mobile application that enables parents to access their child's academic details, including grades and progress report, through secure and convenient method, further strengthening our home-school connection. The academic year 2024 to 25 was a testament to our institution's pursuit of excellence, marked by outstanding achievements in scholastic and co-scholastic activity. It was indeed an year of unparalleled excellence. The year 2024 commenced on a wonderful note when the results of our 10th and 12th classes came out. Our SSLC students achieved an impressive 20 full A+ and 100% success in the SSLC examination. We proudly hold the distinction of being the top school with 40% A+ in Kuttipuram sub-district. Our students' brilliance shine on. Not only did we achieve spectacular result in SSLC, but in plus 2 too an impressive result was made. 2 students secured full A+, making it a truly spectacular achievement. 4 students secured 5 A+, and 6 students secured 4 A+, a testament to our students' hard work and dedication. Our students have made us proud by achieving 14 state-level top position in Majlis Secondary Examination, earning the prestigious title of number 1 school under the Vidya Council for Education. 16 students also gained A+ in the secondary examination and 10 students have achieved A+ in the Majlis primary examinations too. Adding another feather to our cap, one of our students has achieved a notable rank in LEAP Talent Search examination, demonstrating exceptional academic talents. This academic year, we also received 6 ranks in Hikma Talent Search examination, and 8 of our students have been selected for the state level MTSC examination. Our students also secured various prizes in Aleph Talent Search exam, CIGI Olympiad, and Aksharamutam quiz competitions, and so on. Beyond academics, our students have also made their mark in co-curricular activities, from winning trophies in sports to showcasing their talents in arts, science fair. Our students have demonstrated their versatility, creativity, and teamwork, making us proud to be their alma mater. Our school arts fest, Esperanza 2K24, was inaugurated by the famous singer Murshid Ahmed on September 30, 2024. Sportiva IRHS's Olympics was inaugurated by Sub-Inspector of Police Nasir Tirurkar on August 17, 2024. We secured outstanding achievements in various sports events. Our sub-junior boys football team secured second winner-up position in the Vidya Council State Level Football Championship. Our junior boys team emerged as runner-up in Vidya Council Kids Sports Meet. Our under-14 athletic team clinched the runner-up position in Vidya Council State Level Athletic Meet. Our football team championed the Scouts and Guides Kuttipuram LA Football Championship. We also secured second runner-up position in Teen India Malappuram District Soccer Football Championship. In shuttle badminton, our sub-junior girls team emerged as runner-up, while our junior girls team secured second runner-up position in Kuttipuram Sub-District Championship. Our students also excelled in English Fest, Abacus, and Inspiro Quran Fest. Our students also excelled in the Panchayat level sports meet, securing second overall position in the LP category and third overall position in the UP category. Muhammad Ayman Lipi became the individual champion in Kuttipuram Sub-District Sports Meet, and Rifaya Ali became the individual champion in the Panchayat level sports meet respectively. Our students showcased their ability, skill, and talent in achieving outstanding results in the recent science fair by bagging overall first position in work experience in Kuttipuram Sub-District. In HS Section 2, we have secured second position in work experience and third position in HSS section respectively. IT Fair 2, we have secured our mark by securing third position in IT Fair HS section. Coming to Sub-District Arts Kalotsav, we have secured overall first position in Arabic Kalotsav by securing most points in LP, UP, and high school. We have secured overall second position in UP and HS Arabic section, and overall third position in HS Arabic, and overall third position in UP Arabic. And our student Ashfaq Rahman PP became the best actor in Kuttipuram Sub-District. Our school takes pride in offering a diverse range of skill development programs including karate, abacus, cooking, skating, embroidery, fabric painting, AI robotics that fosters the holistic growth and development in our students. It helps our students to develop new skills, build confidence, and discover their passion. We are also empowering our students through community service program. In addition to academic excellence, we foster a sense of social responsibility through various community service programs including Bunnies, Cub, Bulbul, JRC, Scouts, Guides, NSS, and NGC. During the academic year, we have done various community service programs like blood donation camps, palliative care works, anti-drug campaign, and we have actively contributed fund for the Wayanad relief and Madhyama healthcare. Our talent script provides a platform for our students to explore their passion and interest. We organized a visit to ISRO Trivandrum, giving our students a unique opportunity to learn from the best, interact with experts, and gain valuable insights into the world of science, technology, and innovation. Our school conducted a series of workshops including drama, creative writing, and our students also participated in theatre workshop, public speaking workshop hosted by Vidya Council for Education, reaping numerous benefits that extend beyond the classroom. These workshops provided our students with a unique opportunity to explore their creative potential, developing essential skills and confidence. Our updated school library was inaugurated by the famous writer P. Surendran on 27 July 2024. It opened a new world to our students. We have also provided motivational session by our proud alumnus Dr. Shaifa Abbas by giving students a vibrant opportunity to interact with her. Under the title Unlocking Opportunities Through Competitive Exams, we have provided an awareness session on national competitions by Exam by Academy for our students in classes 8, 9 and 10. Al Fajr Institute of Holy Quran was a new venture which is associated with our school, established in 2022, focusing on imparting learning Quran by heart with deep understanding and imparting Islamic values. Currently, we have 25 students and 6 staff. The curriculum focusing on Holy Quran, enabling students to develop a deeper understanding of Islamic principles. Our Montessori provides a nurturing environment that fosters independence and a love for learning. With specially designed materials, our school offers a comprehensive Montessori education that promotes hands-on learning and exploration. We have conducted various day celebrations like Eid celebration, Bashir Day, Freshers Day, Food Fest, Grandparents Day, Vegetable Day, and so on. As we conclude this academic year, we reflect on our achievements and challenges. With a renewed focus on academics and sports, we are poised for an exceptional year ahead. We fondly remember our exceptional faculties, Sudhish Sir, Mujib Sir, and our beloved student, Mersin, whose untimely departure has left an unfillable void in our hearts and minds. Their passing has taken from us 3 shining stars, but their legacy and lesson will continue to guide us. We pay our deepest respect to them, whose dedication and passion inspired us and whose memory that will cherish forever.